Happy Sunday, lovelies. Guys, we have been going through the ringer with our refrigerator. So I'd like to welcome all of you to another night of the Fridge Chronicles.
Yo!
And Dr. Dax.
Dax Olche.
Dr. Dax over here. Dax Olche. So,
I've cut a hole in the back of our fridge. It started with something small and it led to something big.
So it started not getting cold. Wasn't getting cold right before we left for Mexico, and then we got back and it was definitely not cold. It's just been one thing after the next, you know, with this fridge. And so I've been living out of an ice chest for, you know, a good, I don't know, 2 weeks. And it's all right. We're going to get it fixed. I think Sean just came inside. Hi, Babs.
Yep.
Do you want to come say hello?
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, okay. Anyway, so yeah, we are giving it one more shot. And if this thing doesn't work, we're going to have to blow it up. I think we will. Should we blow up the fridge if it doesn't work? What do you think?
Yeah, we should make a video.
Should we? We'll just like,
I don't know.
kablow!
Should we?
Ow, foot cramp. Oh, foot cramp. Oh, you're Charlie Worth. I can't. That's my quad, not my foot. Ow, foot cramp.
It's okay. It's okay. What is wrong? What?
It hurts so bad.
You...
Oh, I wore heels today. I haven't worn heels in a while. Talk to the people.
What are we talking about?
I was just telling them about our fridge and how if it doesn't work, we're gonna blow it up or do something with it.
Oh yeah, we're about on day 5 right now.
Foot's better.
I'm pretty sure I've had enough. I keep telling the guy, like, hey bro, I will buy a new fridge. Like, it's okay.
Dr. Dax is
Yeah, he's persistent.
a little persistent.
I really appreciate that about him, but I kind of want my house back. I'm ready, like,
Yeah.
to have a working fridge so we don't have to eat chicken bar and everything.
Guys, we've been so bad.
Yeah.
What am I doing to our
So,
health?
should create a video though, blowing it up.
I think so.
It'd be dope.
Be sick. Wow. Just wow. Fridge is done. Hi, Dax.
Hi.
Would you like to tell us what we're doing with the fridge?
Yeah, well, it's a lost cause.
Yeah, we tried.
Yeah, we all this started from the guy
Stop
saying
leak.
the stop leak, putting it in there. Never again will I ever use stop leak in a refrigeration system or a air conditioning system. It just ruined it.
Ruined the fridge.
Ruined it.
Ruined it.
And that was an expensive lesson. That's the first time I ever used it. Normally I just consider just fixing it correct the first time. And
It's okay, Dr. Dax. You're still our favorite.
just shoot me. Just shoot me right in my head.
So are you going to drop it off? What are you going to do?
Oh, over at work, this 10K extended boom. It's basically like a forklift with a big arm on it. Take it up really, really super high.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're gonna do that. Drop the fridge from it.
Perfect.
It gave us enough stress, so
Yeah.
we gotta give it some
We're getting a
stress.
little payback.
Okay.
Back plate.
Here it goes, babe.
Yeah, there any information. Oh, yeah, that one.
Do an Instagram video.
We're back.
How high is that? 50 feet?
I think so.
50? Let's drop it. Oh, the humanity. Oh, the humanity.
So did that make you feel better?
Did it hurt?
No.
So say, did what hurt?
Did what hurt?
When you fell from heaven?
Oh, you are so sweet.
Thanks.
Thanks, babe. You're so sweet.
But no, that was fun.
Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun.
Looked like it relieved some stress.
Yeah, the sucky part was I had to clean it up though afterwards.
You had to pick up all the broken pieces.
Yeah, it was like, it was fun and then it wasn't.
Oh my goodness. Well, you guys, that's gonna do it for the Fridge Chronicles. As you can see, we did get a new fridge. It's beautiful. It's a whirlpool.
Our other one didn't last the 50-foot drop, so I don't know why not. Should have.
Clearly.
Build fridges to last.
I think you should just be a fridge tester.
I think so.
You'd make it.
So
Your
like
next career, next business.
like Mythbusters would be fridge testers.
There you go.
Put them to the test. So much pressure they can take.
That's good. That's really good. You'd be good at that.
You think?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah? What do you guys think?
Why don't you leave us a comment if you think Sean should start, a channel on fridge testing. Leave us a comment below. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more. We're gonna be doing more vlogs and putting out some more content for you guys, and yeah, it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
That's it for now.